Welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into the one reason why many young people remain financially stagnant. We'll explore the pivotal difference between focusing on earning immediately versus investing time in learning. This concept is critical for anyone aiming to escape the cycle of poverty and achieve substantial wealth. But first, be sure to hit subscribe for us. Okay, now let's break it down. Key point 1. Early focus on earning versus learning. Many young people start their careers with the mindset of earning as much as possible right away, rather than focusing on acquiring skills and knowledge. A survey highlighted that 52% of high school seniors believe they'll become millionaires by the age of 25, showcasing a prevalent delusion about quick financial success. Consider two young individuals who approach their careers differently. One opts for a high-paying job without potential for growth, while the other accepts a lower-paying position that offers extensive learning opportunities with seasoned professionals. The first person might initially earn more, but they miss out on invaluable lessons and mentorship that could exponentially increase their income in the future. The second person, though earning less initially, positions themselves for higher long-term gains by prioritizing learning and growth. Key point 2. The impact of mentorship and skills development. Understanding and leveraging the role of mentorship and deliberate practice in career advancement is crucial. By choosing environments that foster growth, young individuals can accelerate their career trajectory significantly. Take, for example, a young professional decided to double the minimum sales calls required in his role, following advice from a mentor. This not only improved his sales skills rapidly, but also positioned him as a top performer, leading to quicker promotions. By surrounding themselves with experts and taking on challenging tasks, young professionals can develop a competitive edge early in their careers. This approach also helps in building a robust professional network that can open doors to more prestigious opportunities. Key point 3. Long-term consequences of short-term decisions. Young individuals often underestimate the long-term impact of their early career choices. Opting for immediate gratification through higher salaries can limit future growth opportunities and financial stability. Take, for example, a young man turned down a high-paying job offer to join a more prestigious firm for less pay, understanding that the experience and connections he would gain were far more valuable than the immediate higher salary. This decision reflects a mature understanding of career development, emphasizing that real success comes from what you learn and whom you meet along the way, rather than the initial paycheck. Key point 4. Compounding of skills and experience. Just like financial investments, skills and experiences compound over time. The more you invest in learning and developing diverse skills, the more significant your long-term payoff will be. Warren Buffett, despite being a top graduate, worked for his mentor Ben Graham for free, recognizing the invaluable learning opportunity this presented. Buffett's willingness to forego immediate earnings for the sake of learning from one of the best in the business paid off massively, highlighting the importance of viewing career decisions as investments in your future self. In conclusion, the primary reason many young people stay financially behind is their premature focus on earning rather than learning. By shifting this focus and embracing a mindset of growth and development, you can set the stage for not just financial success, but a fulfilling and influential career. Remember, the choices you make today shape your tomorrow. So choose wisely and focus on building a solid foundation of knowledge and skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What steps are you taking to ensure your learning leads to earning? Let us know, and thanks for watching.